Hi friends! Today we learn how to make flash transition inside Alight Motion. It's very easy to create a flash transition. Step number 1. Create a new project by clicking plus icon. Give project name, adjust resolution, frame rate, and create project. Click on plus. From shape, choose rectangle shape. Shape should fill the screen. So click on option and choose stretch to composition area. Shape will fill the screen. Choose color and fill. Choose solid color as white. We want time only 1 second. Trim the extra portion. 1 second half is 15 frame. Mark on 15 frame. Then click on blending and opacity. Go to at start point. Add keyframe. Decrease the level of opacity. Go to marked point that we have marked before. Increase opacity 100%. Then go to last point. Decrease opacity to 0. Add 2 videos. Shift rectangle shape layer to top. Move second video layer to the first layer endpoint. Add marker point in between 2 videos. Now bring rectangle shape between 2 clips. Rectangle shape half part on first video and half part on second video. Then go to blending and opacity. Choose lighten. You can choose either a color dodge or a linear dodge. I truly hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.